Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the kind of camper van that made my neighbor Glenn yell, "Now that's freedom," before promptly locking his keys inside his own van. Again. This rig from Roam Fitouts takes a 2023 Ford Transit 350L LWB High Roof and turns it into an off-grid sanctuary so cozy, I'm tempted to move in and ghost my landlord. I stepped inside and thought, well, I guess this is what heaven smells like, oak and diesel. Before we dive into this rolling escape pod, do us a solid, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. We're out here reviewing vans so you don't accidentally buy a garden shed on wheels. Now, about this Transit, understated outside, overachiever inside. From the 4 additional awning-style windows with blackout shades to the Fiamma F45S awning and 350W solar panel on top, this build says, I like sunsets, but I also like self-sufficiency. I think the awning alone deserves its own Instagram. Underneath, there's a 105-liter, 27-gallon, fresh water tank and a 38-liter, 10-gallon, gray water tank. Basically, all you need to keep clean and hydrated, unless you plan on hosting a pool party. Inside, it's all cozy elegance, white cabinets, Tasmanian Oak ceiling, shiplap walls. It's like a Scandinavian Pinterest board collided with a 4x4. There's a bathroom with a teak mat and porta-potty, because we're classy like that, and a self-cleaning sliding door that's smarter than most people I went to school with. The diesel heater under the sink kept me warm during a test nap, for research purposes, and the kitchen includes a deep sink, flip-up table, and a smart TV. I believe this van was designed by someone who hates compromise. At the back, there's an east-to-west bed and storage space so big, you could hide your ex's emotional baggage. 2 mountain bikes fit in the garage, under the bed, and fork mounts keep them locked down even when you're not. Power-wise, it's rocking 2 200Ah lithium batteries, a 2000W inverter, a 40-amp DC-DC charger, and 350W solar. I liked most how quietly powerful this van is. It's off-grid without screaming, prepper. Sadly, no public pricing, but if you ask me, the value's definitely there. Roam Fitouts made something special here, equal parts tiny home and stealthy adventure mobile. Want to help us keep reviewing these dream machines instead of sleeping in a rental Prius? Become a CampAvto sponsor for just $1 a month. The link is under the video, right next to the like button you forgot to press.